So it's Nate. I'm back with my first haul. Woo! I'm not really that excited. The reason for this haul is because I have to do my hair. And I'm going to attempt to dye my hair blonde, my bundles. I have no business doing this, but I'm going to try because the YouTube videos that I have watched made me think that I can. So let me show you what I got. This is all the stuff that I bought in order to do my hair. This is everything that I purchased in order to do my hair. And this is how you know I spent too much money, because Sally's gave me this huge bag for free because of all the money that I spent. So I got little said bowl, mixing bowl. Excuse my shades. I got a brush to blend the bleach into the hair. I got a double-sided mixing bowl. I got matte toner. So I got T10 and T35 because I didn't want to go too ashy, because I don't know if my complexion can handle it. And the lady in the store told me that it would be really pale. So lots of toner. I got BW2 because that's all that I kept saying. And I got developer. I got it in 40, 30, and 20. So there's 3 bottles of developer in here. And then I also got the Shimmer Lights shampoo, and I got the conditioner as well. Hopefully this is enough for my bundles enclosure. We shall see. And then I could have sworn I got a little brush to mix stuff, but I don't even see it. It's in there. I got a brush to mix it. So that was my haul. Super fast, super quick. If this works, I will insert some Instagram pictures so you can see the final result. If it does not work, I'm going to be really sad on my birthday because that's the hairstyle that I planned. So, I guess I could show you guys 2 little early birthday presents that I got myself. I got these slides, these Adidas slides, because my little sister said these are the cool ones. And then I got some minimal heels. And you guys, I actually ordered these off Amazon because I'm very choicy with how I'm spending my coins. So this is she off Amazon. Very cute. And it's gonna work for when I need to wear them. That's it, guys. So that is the end of my super quick first haul. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, visit my blog, sincerelynate.com. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.